Girl child is not burden but a blessing.
I love studying. I want to become a doctor and help people.
What is the use of studying so much? You will get married one day.
But she is talented. Let her study. My daughter studies very well. I feel proud of her.
What about society people? Will they give you water? What about society people? Will they give you educated girl too much?
Girls doesn't need educated kids the boy.
Why waste money in the girls' education? Girls belongs in the kitchen.
Let her learn all household activities.
There are scientists and leaders today, so don't be upset. Even today, many girls face discrimination like this.
Stop this injustice. Stop this injustice. Education is right, not a fever. If you educated a girl, you educated a whole family. If your daughter studies, she will support you and make you proud.
Is that really true?
Yes, an educated girl brings respect, progress, and happiness. I want my daughter to be independent and strong. I know one day she will do a true success and everyone will make proud of her.
I was wrong. Forgive me, Asha.
With education, I will serve my parents and my country.
This is the true message of Balika Din. You girls wings, not the chains. Girls
Girls are